Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of our Speak Ilonggo series. Let's learn Ilonggo. This time, it's all about money. Money talks. So what do we have here? Change, sincilio, change, sincilio, and the bills are called papelon, from the word papel. The smallest coin is singko, the only coin with a hole at the center. Singko from the Spanish word 5, but it doesn't have any value. You can't buy anything with singko. 10 centavos, gis, from the Spanish word 10. But in Ilonggo, we pronounce it gis. 25 centavos. Not cents, but centavos. 25 centavos. It's a little bigger than your gis. This is gis. This is redder. And this is more yellow. So this one is... In Spanish, it's baynte cinco, but in Ilonggo, we say it baynchingko. So it's a corrupted Spanish term, baynchingko. Gis, baynchingko. Piso, it's 1 peso. You can still buy something like a candy. In Ilonggo, we call this pisos. Even if it's just 1 peso, it's still called pisos. Pesos with an S, not peso, but pesos. Your 5 peso coin, 5 peso coin, it's lima pesos. Where's our 10 peso coin? The biggest coin would be 10 pesos or pulo pesos. Pulo pesos, or you can just say pulo. For brevity, you can say lima and pulo. So, may lima kada. Do you have 5? May lima. May pulo kada. Do you have 10? 5 and 10 is 15, so it's 15. 15 pesos. All of them are called sincilio or change, spare change. Let's move on to papelon, bills. The smallest bill is 20 pesos. From the Spanish baynte, but we call it baynte. 50 pesos, so it's called, from the Spanish singkwinta, but we call it singkwinta. 100 peso bill, it's called, from the Spanish word syin, but we call it in Ilonggo, it's called syin pesos. Syin, 500 pesos. Lima pesos. That's the more formal way of saying it, but you can just say lima kagatos. I don't have a 1,000 peso bill, but 1,000 pesos is called isa ka libo. 2 500 peso bills would be isa ka libo. Isa ka libo ka pesos. The color of the 1,000 peso bill would be blue and 3 people in it. 1,000 peso bill. Loose coin is called sincilio. If you have a big bill, it's called bilog. Bilog meaning whole. A whole bill. If broken down to smaller bills or change, that's sincilio. Money in Ilonggo is called kwarta. So when people ask you for money, may kwarta kada? Do you have money? Kwarta. Slang word for money would be wawart. May wawart kada? Comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more words. Until then, here are some hearts for you. I love you all. Bye-bye for now.